Did you know that there are apps out there that actually pay you over $200 per hour? You didn't? That's a bummer, but don't worry because that's exactly what we're talking about today. All this money will be pouring into your PayPal account like crazy, and all you have to do is... What's up everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 5 amazing apps that's very easy to go through, that are very powerful and very effective. Using all of the methods that we're going to be showing you, you can actually earn up to $200 per app. We're going to show you how to earn $200 per app. And when you think about it, it's actually crazy because this method, you don't even have to be worried about anything. You can have complete and full access being a complete beginner. You don't need any experiences. You don't need any skills at all. And what's even best is that it's available worldwide and it's 100% and absolutely free. And now I just want you guys to stay tuned, see how I'm gonna reveal to you all of the processes and how this method goes, and let's get right into it. Now our first app is called Declutter, and Declutter is an app that is basically dedicated to create an avenue for users like you and me to sell stuff, specifically digital items that are no longer needed. Now if you look at their official webpage, at their official website, you're going to see that they've actually been talked about or mentioned in a lot of big named magazines, big name brands like NBC, Tech Radar, ABC News, Fast Company, and The Penny Hoarder. And this only goes to show that Declutter is amazing and trusted and legit. Because why would these big names even have any affiliation with Declutter if it's not something that really sells? So basically this website or this platform sells cell phones, texts, CDs, DVDs, games, and books, and simply get an instant valuation ship for free and get paid. You can also view the features that they take pride in. Number 1, they pay the most for tech. Number 2, there are hundreds of millions paid out to their happy customers. Number 3, free shipping on all orders. Number 4, it's fast next day payments. And number 5, they offer a tech price promise, which is to get their first price or your items back for free based on these. They surely offer a lot of amazing benefits for us who just want to earn and who just want to use this website. Now, it's a very important stepping stone, so make sure that you check this website out, and let's continue. I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use. Are you an Android or an iOS user? And while you're at it, comment where you're from because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. Now, moving on to our second app, which is called MyPoints, and MyPoints is amazing for those who love going shopping, since this is where you can actually earn points by shopping at your favorite stores, at your favorite outlets, and MyPoints members get up to 40% back with every purchase of over $2,000. Now, top retailers, these include Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and Amazon. And these are big top retailers, as they said. Now, take a look at this. They even offer a welcome bonus for first-time users the moment that they sign up for MyPoints. Now, I don't want to have any favorite, but this probably is my most favorite app among all of the apps that I'm going to be showing you today, and that is because there is a welcome bonus that is huge and it's free. And it's really no joke. You know that this website is serious. You know that MyPoints is talking about real stuff. So it's something you can trust. Now, you can also get paid to answer surveys. So you can earn points when you share your opinion by completing online surveys, where you share your interests and buying habits with leading brands and merchants, with the likes of maybe Target, Macy's, and a lot more. And as soon as you gotten some points from answering those surveys, you can convert it to cash and cash it out wherever you want. Maybe you can do PayPal. You can also do maybe a favorite gift card, maybe from Xbox, Apple, Amazon, whatever it is. You can claim your money in any way possible. So that's it for MyPoints. And now our third app is called Rakuten or Rakuten. And there's only one word to describe this process, and that is cashback. And as you can see right here, nothing beats cashback. And I've never seen a statement so real. With Rakuten, you can score cashback at thousands of stores and save on brands that you love. So you can score cash back at thousands of stores, right? By their words, that's a whole lot of money. So what exactly is the deal, okay? So stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending you their way. It's a win-win situation for you and Rakuten, as both parties are able to make some money through commission, and you're gonna earn through cashback. Now, some of these stores actually include really popular brands like Nike, Macy's, Glossier, PetSmart, and a lot more. So how does this work? Okay, first step is to sign up for a free account in less than 30 seconds. Step 2, you're going to start shopping on Rakuten, whether on the app or on the website. And step 3, the last step, where you can watch your cashback balance grow and then get paid by a check or via PayPal. Rakuten is surely an all-star with over 2 billion in cashback paid over a community of more than 15 million members. That's a lot. There's certainly a concrete reason as to why Rakuten is #1 cashback companion, so make sure you also try this out. If you guys are loving this video, make sure that you like and subscribe because it really helps the channel. Also, don't be shy to comment down below if you're loving our video so far, and if there are any changes that you'd like to see, that you'd like to make. So make sure that you comment that down below too, because we will definitely read them and note them. Anyways, let's finish up today's video, shall we? So let's continue where we left off, and we're approaching app number 4, which is called Rewards. And this is by Foursquare Labs, and as you can see right here, you get a little glimpse of what the interface looks like. And based on these images that you can see, it looks amazing. There are vibrant colors everywhere. The design is amazing. There's really nothing but attraction to how it looks. What this app is all about is that Rewards is where you can actually earn points by taking location-based surveys, sharing your location, and referring friends. When you do these tasks, you can earn tons of points, which will be converted into actual money later on. And then you can choose to redeem those points for prizes, including gift cards and sweepstakes entries that are worth up to $5,000. You can earn gift cards from top companies and brands such as Amazon, Starbucks, and even getting a chance to win an astonishing prize pool containing an Xbox Series X or a brand new PlayStation 5. And as you can see over here, the app is rated an amazing rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars, and with a huge amount of raters at over $81,000 in total. And this rating speaks volumes. Furthermore, you can also see some pretty positive reviews about the experiences of people on this app. And as you go through all of these reviews, it just makes you want to pursue it even more. And now we're down to our last step. Make sure you try that 4th app. Now down to our 5th and our last app, and it's called MyPick. For starters, MyPick is a premium print platform set for artists, photographers, and influencers. Basically, the way this works is that MyPick is going to ask you to upload some of your pictures, and they're going to do the job of selling it to people all around the world. Now let's get into the details of how this works. First step is you're gonna upload your art. Once you've uploaded your art in photos, MyPick is gonna check the resolution and only show the products that your image will grade in to retain the best print quality. And to give you a little something, they're gonna let you make sure that your utmost privacy, as in your images, are safe with them. So you're also gonna have full control of the images that you upload. So you can just take them down anytime, put them up anytime. And then step 2, you're gonna bring art to life. You're gonna sell your art as premium lifestyle products handmade by their specialists. products. Just select the product that you want to sell. You're going to share your preview on your social media. Get this also, that MyPick is going to handle everything else. The printing, the shipping, the customer service. All you have to do is upload your photo and that's it. In step 3, you're going to become the designer. You're going to sell products from a simple upload. And people all over the world can now own your pics as custom art and fashion, and they are going to drive people to your gallery and provide you tools to help promote your products to friends and followers. Now, I'm sure that you're going to love to hear that you're going to earn 20% commission income on every single sale that is going to come up using your image. And lastly, step number 4, which is you're going to get paid. And it couldn't be easier. You're just going to withdraw your commission using this app or the website anytime you make a sale, and you can just claim your money, maybe through PayPal, and that's all you need to do to make money with MyPick. It's very easy, very convenient. All of the apps are very easy and convenient. We wouldn't want you guys to miss it for the world, so make sure that you try that out, and that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.